Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Swingvy Tutorials. My name is Anna and today I'm going to talk you through how to set up claim types. Let's get started. So here we are at the claims page in Swingvy. So to set up your claims, you go to settings and you click on claim types. Okay, so before we set up the claim types, I want to explain to you that in most organizations, there are two types of claim types. One is the business expense and the other one are the travel expenses. So business expenses could be anything from meals when you take out your clients for lunch, and then transport expenses are, for example, for your transport going to the office every day or if you need to see any clients. Okay, so to add claim types, you go to the top right-hand corner and click Add Claim Type. Then you put in the title. Let's go with transportation. Then you can insert the account code. This is for your finance department, but it's not mandatory. Same with the description. Then next, you have the claim limit, where you can choose from two options. One, you don't set the limit, or two, you set a limit per claim. Let's go for 20 USD. So this means when your employee submits a claim that is higher than 20 USD, he or she will not be able to submit it. The next step is to set the reimbursement method, and this is mandatory, as you can see from the red star. Here you also have two options. Either you can reimburse your employee via direct payment, means this is separate to payroll, or you actually add it to their payroll and then they get paid it out at the same time. Here you can set custom questions, which means if you want to find out more information, you can add something like, what is the reason for this claim? If you want to make it mandatory, you click this box, required. You can add up until 3 custom questions. And the last bit is for you to decide, do you want to make it mandatory for your employees to attach a receipt? If you do not need it, you can just declick it and then click Save. There you can see your claim type, and if you realize you're not happy with it, you can click on the pencil to make changes, or if you want to delete it completely, you click on the bin and delete the type. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at support@swingvy.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.